Assalamualaikum students of class 2. Welcome to the 17th video lecture of class 2 maths. If you open your book to page number 12, we have some addition problems here, but there's something different about them. It says addition converting ones, so we have to convert ones. Like the first example is solved here. For the next one, 8 and 4 makes 12, 8 and 4 makes 12. Now 12 is made up of 110 and 2 units. Now as you know that we have to write tens in the tens section and ones in the ones, so I'm gonna place 2 from 12 here, and the 110, it's actually 110 will be carried here in the tens group. Now 110 and 310 makes 4 tens, so the answer will be 42. Similarly, 5 and 8 makes 13. Now 13 is made up of 110 plus 3 units. Now I have to write 3 units here, and 110 will be carried out to the tens group. Now 110 and 5 ones makes 6 tens, sorry, 110 and 5 tens makes 6 tens, so the resultant answer will be 63. Just like that, 1 2 3 4 5 5 problems are for your homework, and for the little more complex problems like question 7, now try these. 8 and 4 makes 12, makes 12. Similarly, 12 is made up of 110 plus 2 ones. Now 2 is placed here, 1 is carried to tens group, and 6 and 1 makes tens, sorry, 7, and 2 makes 8, so the answer will be 82. Now rest of the problems are for your homework, and good luck with that. If you find them difficult, you can get help from your tutors or your parents too, or you can leave the comment below the YouTube video, and I'll just get to that. Thank you.